at Thrifting, and I hope I can entertain you a little bit with what we find. We'll see you on the flip side. So we did basically find some discounted jewelry here. This is like an outlet. Oh, those are really pretty, I think. Very inclined. So basically department store stuff that's probably discontinued comes here. What? Look at that, the price on those. Those are beautiful. Oh, they got sunglasses. It's all like designer stuff. Stella Rose, they do gold over and sterling silver items. Some chains. There's an infinity ring right there. That's super pretty, and it's sterling. Juicy Couture. For great prices, check that out. This one? Yeah, this one right here. Yeah, that one. Super pretty. All right, let's see. That's a Kate Spade, New York. It's very cool. Let's see here. It says, it's crystal. It's looking like. This one here. I don't know what's on the other. Oh, that's the same. And they have one. Oh, can I see the crystal one as well? I think it's the other way. There you go. Thank you. Okay. So those are totally cool. And if you see, I'm wearing a necklace with that clover pattern. So these would be very cute. Gold tones. See, costume has its place with me. And I wanted to see Kate Spade, those really shiny earrings right there, please. These are, they look like they're confetti under glass or added to glass or some kind of acrylic. Still very, very cute. And it even has a pouch. I left the house and forgot earrings, so I'm just gonna pick a couple earrings. So, and this pink purpley color pair of boots. And I wanted to see that ring right there. That is a 9, that's what I wear. Size 9. One moment. I don't see the tag. Oh, here it is. Okay, yes to that. That's gonna match the outfit I'm buying. So that's a yes. Priced right, I think.
Okay. Yeah.
These say they're sterling silver and they look like they're crystals. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get that. They're CZs set in sterling silver. It's really cute and priced right. So we're gonna get that. And just look. I think that's it. I think that is everything. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you.